Welcome back to Uncommon Reality and give yourself a high five and say, I am awesome because you truly are. Let me tell you what happened in my personal life. I went from being emotionally broke at one point. I even contemplated suicide. I didn't have enough money to buy good food and thought about driving an auto rickshaw just to make ends meet. I sold pan pieces on the streets of MG Road in my city and stood in line at 6 a.m. at the passport office so I could sell my spot for some breakfast money. From there, I went on to break a Guinness World Record in super memory, became a Times iconic legend for cognitive development, authored multiple books, finished my doctoral studies, became financially secure, and helped countless others along the way. I helped one of my students grow his business from 20 million rupees to 600 million in just a year. I have helped people overcome their deepest fears, phobias, and break free from harmful addictions, just as I did myself. This journey has taught me so much, and anchoring to positive, that is, high vibrating feelings, was one of the key things that changed my life. I know what it's like to struggle, but I also know the power of anchoring to positive feelings, high vibrating feelings. Today, I will share with you how to use anchoring, one of the most powerful tools that helped me transform my life from stress and self doubt to feeling in control and positive. By the end of this video, you will learn about power statements to shift energy, joy sparks routine, feel good tokens, pause and reflect reminders, and the mirror magic gratitude practice. These simple but effective techniques will help you stay connected to joy, peace, and purpose no matter what challenges come your way. These techniques have helped me and many others, and they can help you too. In the past episodes, we have talked about how to create a life that feels right for you, covering topics like knowing yourself, visualizing your goals, handling emotions, and staying positive, accessing high vibrations by shifting your focus. Each topic adds a piece to building the life you dream about, to manifesting your desired reality. And today we are diving into one final essential piece, anchoring to positive feelings, high vibrating feelings. We have talked about anchoring before, remember? But today we will be taking it even deeper because this technique is exceptional and it has the potential to change your life completely. I chose this topic to end the series because anchoring brings everything together. It helps you hold on to all the progress you have made, whether it's visualization techniques, managing emotions, or creating new empowering beliefs. Anchoring makes sure those positive shifts stay with you. This technique has helped many people, even celebrities, and it could be the key to turning your life around too. So let's begin. So let's get into anchoring to positive feelings, that is, high vibrating feelings. Anchoring is all about creating simple reminders in your daily life to stay connected to the feelings you want: joy, peace, purpose, no matter what challenges you face. Life has its ups and downs, and if you are like I was, you know what it's like to be pushed around by everything happening around you. I remember when I was selling fabric pieces on the street or grinding through long hours in the corporate world, days where stress, frustration, and doubt were constant companions. But As I started anchoring myself to high vibrating feelings, my whole experience shifted. I stopped just reacting and started choosing how to respond, and that made all the difference. Here are some of the anchoring techniques that helped me transform my life and kept my energy in that positive, aligned space. Number one, power statements to shift your energy. One of the easiest ways to anchor positive feelings is by using affirmations, because words have power and energy to them. But don't just use general statements, make them personal. Think about what you are working towards and create affirmations that speak directly to that vision. For instance, during my journey, one of my affirmations was, I am creating a life of passion, purpose, and positive impact. I would repeat this throughout the day, especially when doubt crept in. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them. You need to say it with emotion and not repeat like a parrot. Let these affirmations become a steady anchor you return to whenever you need a boost in your energy. Number two, joy sparks routine. This practice changed everything for me, and it is incredibly simple. Choose a few small actions that bring you joy or peace and weave them into your day. For me, it was taking a few moments to enjoy my breakfast at a particular restaurant, fully present. I used to savor it with no distractions. It could be listening to a favorite song, taking a short walk, or doing something creative. These moments act like small anchors, helping you stay positive throughout the day. Pick 2 or 3 things that bring you a sense of joy or happiness and make them a part of your day. Schedule them no matter what, but do not spend too much time listening to songs. That way, you will be using this technique against you instead of creating a desired reality. You see, these small, joyful moments raise your energy and make a lasting difference. Number 3, feel good tokens. Physical anchors can help a lot too. But for me, it wasn't an item like a stone. Instead, my anchor was an internal image, like I spoke in one of my episodes. An ideal vision of myself living in a luxurious house, driving beautiful cars, and thriving in an environment that inspired me. This mental image became my anchor and helped me stay connected to my desired reality. As I suggested in my previous videos, you could also use external anchors like a piece of jewelry, a bracelet, or even a certain scent. You see, whenever or each time you interact with your anchor, take a deep breath and recall a positive feeling, a high vibrating feeling. This helps you center yourself no matter where you are and reconnect with the energy you want to bring into your day. Number 4, pause and reflect reminders. One thing that really helped me stay aligned was setting reminders to check in with myself. I used post-it notes at home and a few reminders on my desktop. These reminders were labeled with BEWIF, BWIF that is. B, W for wise, I for intelligent, and F for focused. Be wise, intelligent, and focused. Seeing these notes helped me stay completely focused and reminded me of my goal to master some of the concepts of NLP while I was building my career as a seminar leader. This simple practice was a powerful way to keep my mind centered, especially during those distracted days. Number 5, mirror magic gratitude practice. This practice is very powerful, and I've used it for years. Sometimes I stand in front of a mirror, look into my eyes, and say something I am thankful for. It can be anything, a small achievement, a quality I am proud of, or just being grateful for showing up. Along with gratitude, I use affirmations like, I am capable of doing it, or I am doing it. I talk about my future as if it is already happening, as if it has already come true. Make this an exciting ritual. It should feel empowering each time you do it, not boring. This practice helps you connect with positive, high vibrating feelings and starts and ends your day with appreciation and belief in your journey. Over time, it becomes a way to honor yourself and the path you are on, strengthening your faith in the reality you are creating. These techniques are simple, but they hold immense power. Anchoring to high vibrating feelings isn't about ignoring what's real or avoiding hard emotions. It's about choosing moment by moment to focus on the energy that helps you create your desired reality, readjusting and pivoting when needed. When I started doing this, it helped me maintain a sense of purpose, no matter what was happening around me. And the amazing thing is, these small actions add up and create a strong base for the life you are building. If you want to go even further, my programs Foundation X and Meditation X are here to help you build a strong base and explore these practices more deeply. These programs bring together everything we have discussed in the series and more, giving you the guidance and support you need to truly manifest your destiny. Pat your back for finishing all the episodes. And if you haven't, please finish these 13 episodes. Download the workbook, and I'm sure it will help you. This series is my New Year's gift to you, and I hope it serves as a powerful starting point for manifesting the reality you desire. If any of these techniques spoke to you, let me know in the comments. And if you have found this series valuable, do subscribe. Let's keep working together to manifest the reality we desire. This is only the beginning. See you in the next chapter. Take charge.